Everybody know. Whoa.
What's up guys, and welcome back everyone. Today I am going to show you how to be able to see gunshots and be able to see footsteps. Let's go ahead and start. So you go to your settings. The next step is go to the little person in the circle there. Let's call that a baller, the little person in the baller. And then you have to go down here to hearing and the visualize sound effects. You turn that on and then you apply. That's all. So now if you get into a game, a normal game, we should be able to see footsteps and shots, like gunshots. You can also see reboot vans and vehicles. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope this information helped you. If it didn't, just tell me in the comment section, and I'll see you guys later.